Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
In this connection, we would like to state that if a person has a grievance that the police station is not registering his FIR under section 154 CRPC, then he can approach the superintendent of police under section 154 bracket 3 CRPC by an application in writing stop, even if that does not yield any satisfactory result, in the sense that either the FIR is still not registered, or that even after registering it no proper investigation is held. It is open to the aggrieved person to file an application under section 156 bracket 3 CRPC before the learned magistrate concerned stop. If such an application under section 156 bracket 3 is filed before the magistrate can direct the FIR to be registered and also can direct a proper investigation to be made in a case where, according to the aggrieved person, no proper investigation was made stop. The magistrate can also, under the same provision, monitor the investigation to ensure a proper investigation. AIR 1986 SC 984. This court held that the power conferred on the magistrate under section 125 CRPC to grant maintenance to the wife implies the power to grant interim maintenance during the pendency of the proceeding. Otherwise, she may strive during this period stop. In view of the above mentioned legal position, we are of the view that although section 156 bracket 3 is very briefly worded, there is an implied power in the magistrate under section 156 bracket 3 CRPC to order registration of a criminal offense and or to direct the officer in charge of the concerned police station to hold a proper investigation and take all such necessary steps that may be necessary for ensuring a proper investigation, including monitoring the same stop. Even though these powers have not been expressly mentioned in section 156 bracket 3 CRPC, we are of the opinion that they are implied in the above provision stop. Para, if a person has a grievance that his FIR has not been registered by the police station, his first remedy is to approach the superintendent of police under section 154 bracket 3 CRPC or other police officer referred to in section 36 CRPC stop. If despite approaching the superintendent of police or the officer referred to in section 36 his grievance still persists stop, then he can approach a magistrate under section 156 bracket 3 CRPC instead of rushing to the High Court by way of a writ petition or a petition under section 482 CRPC. Moreover, he has a further remedy of filing a criminal complaint under section 200 CRPC. Why then should writ petitions or section 482 petitions be entertained when there are so many alternative remedies? Stop. As we have already observed above, the magistrate has very wide powers to direct registration of an FIR and to ensure a proper investigation, and for this purpose he can monitor the investigation to ensure that the investigation is done properly, though he cannot investigate himself. Stop. The High Court should discourage the practice of filing a writ petition or petition under Section 482 CRPC simply because a person has a grievance that his FIR has not been registered by the police, or after being registered, proper investigation has not been done by the police. Stop. For this grievance, the remedy lies under sections 36 and 154 bracket 3 before the concerned police officers, and if that is of no avail, under section 156 bracket 3 CRPC before the magistrate, or by filing a complaint under section 200 CRPC, and not by filing a writ petition or a petition under section 482 CRPC. Stop.